Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Safe Mode disables third-party apps to help troubleshoot problems quickly. It only runs pre-installed system apps and services to isolate faults. If your Pixel boots into Safe Mode immediately, check recent app installs and accessory behavior first. Safe Mode can appear after an app crash or after holding buttons during boot by accident. Exiting Safe Mode is usually simple and does not delete data. Follow the next steps to restart normally and remove any problematic apps permanently. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, then tap Restart on the menu. If Restart is unavailable, press and hold power off for 3 seconds until the reboot option appears. Confirm reboot and wait while your Pixel shuts down and starts normally. A normal restart usually takes 30 to 60 seconds to complete, depending on your model and apps. After the phone boots, check the lower left corner for the absence of Safe Mode text. If Safe Mode persists, follow the app removal steps next. Uninstall any app installed within the past 48 hours first, starting with recently downloaded or suspicious apps. Boot into Normal Mode and Open Settings, then Apps, then select the app and choose Uninstall to remove it. After removing one app, restart the phone to test if Safe Mode clears. If problems persist, back up your data to Google Drive and consider a factory reset as a last resort. A factory reset will erase all data, so confirm backups before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.